Hey there, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync Constant Contact with Dubb so that all those contacts and leads you have in Constant Contact, everybody in that email newsletter, can also be in Dubb, where you can send them video messages and text messages. These are two apps that work really well together when you pair them and automate them. So let me show you how to do this. It's super easy. The first thing you're going to do is go to apination.com. You should already have a Constant Contact account and a Dubb account. And now we're just going to go ahead and connect them through API Nation. So I'm going to click on this Discover Connections button. It's going to show me all the apps I can connect through API Nation, marketing apps, productivity apps. All of them are here. I'm going to go to D for Dubb, or you can go to C for Constant Contact. Let's actually do that. And I'm going to click through and it's going to show me the apps I can sync with Constant Contact. I'm going to come down to D for Dubb, but if any of these other apps look like something you're using, automate those as well. Save yourself some time. So we'll click on Dubb and you can see I can sync my contacts from Constant Contact to Dubb. So I'm going to activate this sync. First step is to sign into API Nation, or you can create an API Nation account here, or you can sign in with Google. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. And now we're going to connect the apps. So first we're going to connect Constant Contact. Really easy. We're just going to go out to Constant Contact, sign in, and it'll make the connection. Great. Similar thing with Dubb. I'm going to hit connect. A few instructions here. You can see I need an API token from Dubb. So I'm just going to label this first, and the label can be your name, your office name, your company name. And then I'm actually going to click this link. It's going to take me into Dubb, right where that API token lives. So you can see I have a few API tokens already created. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call this one API Nation and hit create. It's super long, a lot of letters, a lot of numbers. That's exactly what you're expecting. Highlight it all, hit Control C to copy, go back to API Nation, click in here, hit Control V or Command V to paste it in there and connect. All right, now we're going to set up this sync. You can see we have a few options here. Like, who from Constant Contact do I want to send over to Dubb? I can look in here. I can send people from a list that's already existing. I'm going to go with his marketing list. I've collected a lot of leads there. I want those people to go into Dubb, and I can easily send them videos from Dubb. If I click this box, sync all contacts on first run, it's going to take everybody who's currently in that list, send them to Dubb. If I uncheck it, it means anybody who gets added to that list from today going forward gets sent to Dubb. I'm going to go ahead and check the box. As they arrive in Dubb, if they already exist, let's say you already have a few people in there, you can choose to completely overwrite any contacts that match, or you can just fill in any blank information. I'm going to tell it to fill in the blanks. Go ahead and subscribe. All right, so we've created this sync. We're going to do one last check here before we activate it. You can see this looks good. If you want, you can filter by any of the fields in Constant Contact. So maybe you only want to send over people from a certain zip code or a certain state or any of these other fields Constant Contact offers. You could do that. Maybe I want to do one where it's notes contains video. I could do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and clear this out. One thing I am going to filter on is actually mobile phone. I only want to sync over people who have a mobile phone number. That way I can also text them. So we're going to do that. So only people whose mobile phone is not empty. Come on down here to mapping. We do most of this for you. Email, first name, last name. You can see that mobile phone. I'm going to go ahead and actually add a phone number in here. All I have to do is hit this plus button, search for the field, and add it in. This all looks great. I'm going to go to the top and activate the sync. There we go. The sync is now up and running. Now, anytime a contact is added to that list in Constant Contact, they're also added to Dubb. I can hop into Dubb, shoot a video, shoot a text, send it over to them. Also, you can build automations in Dubb so that as people arrive, they get a series of videos and texts from you, building that relationship. It's a great way to combine these two apps, Constant Contact, where you're sending beautiful, broad audience emails to your clients, and then Dubb, where you can get a little more nitty gritty. You're sending videos, you're getting your face out there, and you can be a little bit more specific about where you want this business transaction to go. If you have any questions or need any assistance, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.